In this question, they have asked if a human male is heterozygous for autosomal genes. So what are the autosomal genes? A. So the heterozygous would be AA. For B, it is capital B, small b. And hemizygous for hemophilic gene H. So for hemophilic gene H, it is hemizygous, okay, and carry what a percentage of sperms carrying ABH genotype. So ABH genotype will be seen in which organisms, okay? So see, this is a very simple question. If you want to sort it by a short formula, you can actually calculate, first of all, the type of gametes that will be there. See, if you calculate the type of gametes, you can just divide it by 1 and you'll get your answer. So type of gametes is equal to 2 into n. N is the heterozygote. And in this case, how many heterozygote are there? A, B, and H. So 2 into 3 will be 8. Okay. And 1 upon 8 will result in 12.5. But we'll do it by long method also. So see here. So these are the genes that are there. A, B, B, and then we have the X, H, and Y. So again, doing by the long method, we can have A, capital A, small a, this going with capital B, small b, and capital B can go with X, H, and Y, small b again with X, H, and Y. Similar with small a, capital B, small b, X, H, and Y, X, H, and Y. So we will get over here capital A, capital B, H, capital A, capital B, Y, capital A, small b, H, small h, capital A, small b, Y, then small a, capital B, H, small a, capital B, Y, small a, small b, H, and small b, Y. They have asked us what will be the percentage of sperm. So here, what is the percentage? This is the 1/8 portion. So 1/8 is equals to 12.5. So 12.5 will be the correct answer for this one. Okay. Looking at the other options also, see 25 is wrong over here because we have calculated the result has come out to be 25%, 12.5%. The second option is also wrong. The third option seems correct, 12.5%, and the fourth option is C. So the third option will be the correct option for this question.